Hey girl, you having fun? Couple 360s, showing off. Come down, hit the wall. Come over and hit right about here. Go over and bite the fountain. Come down about there and hit the wall again. Right there. Maybe a 360. Oh, not this time. Hit the wall. Come down here, hit the wall. Go towards the fountain. And do it all over again. Hit the wall again, right about here. There we go. Right there. Where's your twirls, girl? There it is, right there. Bite the fountain. Come down and touch the wall again. There we go. Hit right there. Hit the wall, go over, hit the fountain again. Oh, a couple bites. There's the twirl right there. Good job. It's the same thing over and over and over. What you doing, girl?